It all started when I met Jane at UI. I said hello, and then she said hi. Long story short, that's how we fell in love. Got married one time and then we kicked it off. From there we took it down to the bedroom. Just small touch and do. That's how my seed bloom. Now she wakes up every day with morning sickness, mood swing weakness, vomiting, illness. 3 months in, now she's eating down the whole house. She can eat anything, even her own blouse. She'll order pizza, ice cream and pepper soup. Eat shit and chicken pie, oh boy, I couldn't cope. Then she started sending me errands on ending. Baby, bring me this, bring me that, so offending. Finally, when it was 9 months and her time came, I was in the labor room when our child came. When I saw her, damn, she was gorgeous. She's worth all the pain that she brought upon us. As I held her, my heart beat Duduke. She's so precious, we had to name her Aduke.
I sing for you.